What's up, guys? So back with another video here. So I'm going to try to do this a short video. So I picked up the iPhone XX, that is such a hard word to say, XS Max, or should I say the iPhone XS Max smart battery case. Now, I have not been able to find the actual mAh of the actual battery, but here's the up close. This thing goes for, I think it was 130. Here it is on the site. It's $130. They call it the smart battery case. It's that one. And beside it is the ZeroLemon for $32. I've had this for a while. As you see, I purchased it. I honestly haven't been using it, but I saw the smart battery case, and I want to show you the real difference. Packaging is like so. I've been using it, so it's a little dirty. Now, what I had thought when I got it, I thought you would charge this baby up to 100, and then you would drop your phone in, and it wouldn't charge it. You're not supposed to sell it 100. But I'll show you why in a minute. So you got to bend it back on a 45-degree angle, and then you slap the phone in, and then you simply just push down. And then that's it. As you can see, it started charging. Now, the plus of having a first-party case is you get that. See, it says iPhone. That's my smart battery. My Apple Watch is obviously, it isn't on me. I have my Rolex on. But yeah, the smart battery case shows it's at 43%. Now, this is cool. I mean, the material is nice. I will say it feels better than the ZeroLemon. It looks, I guess, a little bit better as well. But when you're rocking a case like this, you really aren't rocking it for looks. I put them both together. Now, remember, that guy's $30. So I'm going to pop this one out. It's not exactly the easiest case to get out. I guess they did this on purpose. As you can see, I'm not a small guy in it. Then to get the phone out, really got to give it a struggle. Now, it's the same deal with this. You're going to peel it down on a 45. Then you're going to drop it in. Now, in this situation, see, this won't start charging up right away because it's not on. You got to go on back. And I hope I got juice in it. As I said, I haven't been using it. There we go. And then you're 100% charged. Let me get rid of my notification here. Nothing anybody's going to see. But now you're going to go there and boom, see it goes away. But your phone is still charging. Now, you're going to say, well, that's first party and this isn't. That's how you can tell how much juice is in your battery. You click that. It's full. It's charging. Now, they're more or less both the same thing. 130 or 30. Granted, the phone was, say, what, $1,200, but yeah, 130, 30. In my personal opinion, I'm going to say the ZeroLemon for 30, even though I probably am going to keep this just because, I'm an Apple fan. But, get this. It says the same protection, same lip more or less all around. Anyway, I just wanted to make this a short video. I've been playing with it all day, and yeah, I've been just saying to myself, I think you get more battery in this guy as well. And you can rock it out the same way. Just pop that baby and the whole day. Just let it sit on charge the way the smart battery works. And when this dies, you'll still be at 100. With this, you'll probably get like 3 days of battery life versus maybe 2 with this one, give or take. Alrighty guys, if you like this little short comparison, I didn't do anything wild, didn't do any wild testing videos. With the ZeroLemon, you do have lightning down here, so you need one cable. There is no wireless charging with the ZeroLemon. There is wireless charging with this. Personally, I don't care. I got a battery case. If I need wireless charging, I got a real problem, and it has nothing to do with charging. It means I'm using my phone way too much, and if you need wireless charging with this, again, you have a problem. This is literally a 2 or 3 day battery sitting right here. You don't need wireless charging, but it's cool to have. Now, they also do say that I don't have CarPlay on my Audi for some reason. Hey Audi, can you fix that? But yeah, I don't got CarPlay on my Audi to test, but apparently you can just plug in there and it'll work. It may work on this ZeroLemon. I don't know if any of you guys have a ZeroLemon case like this for the Max or another iPhone, let's say, and it's got the lightning there. You see the speaker grill is more or less the same as well. Not sure what those two dots are for, but yeah, you can get a basic look. Just the material on this is a little bit cooler, and you got the Apple logo. Alrighty guys, just wanted to make it a short video. So if you know what the actual IMHO of this battery case is, do hit me up in the comments. I am curious. Also, if you got any other thoughts, maybe you think exactly like me, save $100 and just pick up the ZeroLemon. I'll throw a link down below where you can buy this. These guys are real cool. Alrighty guys, hope you like this video. Leave me a thumbs up, share it around. I'm doing whatever I usually, my normal saying, I'm doing what I can with what I have. And this is what I have right now. I should be getting some Android stuff in tomorrow, or in the video I'm talking the future. I'll be getting an Android device in soon. It's going to be a little bit of a secret. I want to pop it out. It's a Chinese device. I'll just leave it at that. All right, guys. So again, thumbs up, share it around. Thanks again. Laters. Peace.